friends, Namaste. This is Dr. Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show some warm-up exercises to do before any workout. Whether you want to do yoga sequence or any other workout you want to do, intense or easy one, you have to first prepare your body by doing some warm-up exercises. Otherwise, if you suddenly start doing your exercise or any yoga sequence without doing warm-up, you may end up in sprains or cramps or also in some injury to your joints or muscles. So it is not good to directly start your workout. Always try to do 5 to 10 minutes of warm-up exercises to prepare all your muscles and bones and joints. Then you can take up whatever workout you want to do. Okay, so mainly the wrists, knees, hips and neck muscles. These joints have to be released, the tightness and stiffness. So let's start from the wrist joints. Stretch your hands, take your thumb in the center and close your fingers and rotate from the wrists. Big circles and try to move all the round. Try to rotate your wrists, stretching all the sides 10 times in one direction, then repeat other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we'll do the one more wrist movement. Just open your fingers, stretch your hands and bend them down and stretch. When you're lifting, you're not just lifting, you're trying to stretch your fingers back. This is where you feel a lot of stretching all over the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now take your right hand, stretch it towards left side and with the left hand press it. You feel a lot of stretch and releasing this tightness of shoulder muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change side, left hand towards right side and press it with the right hand. 1, breathe in, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we have to release the tightness of the neck, joints and neck muscles. So gently rotate your neck. Breathe in. Take it, tilt it toward right side. Don't lift your shoulders, just only the neck movement. Drop it towards right side as much you can take. You feel a lot of stretch opposite side. Now take back, left and front. Try to press your chin to the chest. Breathe in. Breathing out, take all the sides, stretching all the sides. 5 times, do clockwise rotations and 5 times anti-clockwise rotations, releasing the tightness and stiffness of the neck. Okay, now we'll do the reverse rotations. Take left, back, right and front. Slowly, don't give any jerks. Don't strain or sprain your neck. Now place your right hand right side. Breathe in. Breathing out. Bend towards right side. Now here you can bend your elbow so that you feel the stretch. You are trying to stretch your spine to prepare it. Hold here for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in and change side. Breathing out, bend that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now stretch your legs. Rotate your feet clockwise 5 times. anti-clockwise 5 times. Okay. Now hug your knee and stretch it. Okay, this is just for preparation, warming up before the workout. So breathe in here, breathe out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now change leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now adjust your hips. Keep your back straight. Now turn, twisting your spine, turn right side, place both the hands on the floor and bend it down as much you can, go down. Okay, this is again, try to make the spine flexible. 1, and change side. 2, breathe in the center, breathe out and come down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now rise up. Okay. Now just loosen your hip joints, rotate them clockwise 5 times. And other side. Okay. Now stretch hands, separate your legs 2 feet. Stretch hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will do some standing exercises to release the shoulder joint tightness. Okay, make big circles from shoulders and take your hands as much you can take back. You're involving all the muscles of the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now stretch, open your legs as much you can. Separate them comfortable distance. Breathe in. Breathing out. Reach your left hands to the right toes. Twisting your spine. Drop your right hand. Take it towards left side and hold here. Release the tightness of your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in and change side. Right hand to the left toes. Drop your left hand right side, twisting your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. Now we will do 10 times with single counts. Breathe in here. Breathe out, touch. And breathe in. Touch other side. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Okay friends, so please do follow these simple warm-up exercises for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can start your whatever workout you want to take up, either it may be yoga or any other workout like. Okay friends, thank you for watching. See you in next video. Namaste.